Today I will show you how to create clipping mask in Photoshop. Open Photoshop. Write any letter. Import the image. Right-click on the image, then click on the clipping mask. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate. Go to the Select tab. Click on the subject. Click on the mask. Ctrl+G to group it. Add a layer mask. Take the brush tool. Foreground color must be black and background color must be white. Place the brush on the image and drag it over the area that you want to erase. To make it realistic, you can also add the drop shadow. Right-click on the text layer. Click on the blending options. Now add the drop shadow from here. Click on OK button. Your clipping mask effect is ready now. Hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe.